Good morning, Year 1. We're going to start with our reading as usual, so pause on each page and then have a go at the questions at the end. And let's have a go at some phonics.
Hello everybody, I'm Joe Wicks, the body coach. Are you ready for your letters and sounds phonics lesson today? I hope you are. Good luck.
Hello children, I'm Alex. Let's start our letters and sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Let's begin by reading some phonemes that you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. Remember, some of these graphemes make more than one sound. See if you can remember them. The first card says O or O. You ready? Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read them with me. O or O. Sh. Ooh. Qu. I. G or J. J. Ow or O. E or E. K or S. Well done, super sounds. Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Have a look at this word. Can you spot the digraph? That's right, it's here, and in this word it says E. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Did you get it? P-l-s, ples, ant. Pleasant. We would say pleasant. If something is enjoyable, it is pleasant. Have a look at this word. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, it's here. It's the split vowel digraph, I. Have a look at this letter. In this word, it says S. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Read it with me. Ice. Ice. Ice is frozen water. Like this. Next word. Can you see the digraph? Well done, it's at the end. Ooh. Remember, this letter says S in this word. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Cell, the tiniest part of your body. Have a look at this word. Read each sound as I point, and remember, in this word, this is J. Now blend and read the word. Gent. gentle. If you touch something softly, then you are gentle. Have a look at this word. Where is the digraph? That's right, at the end. Read each sound as I point. And remember, in this word, this letter says J. Now blend and read the word. Ginger. Do you remember what ginger is? Yes, it's a herb we use in cooking. Or it might be the colour of someone's hair, but this is the herb ginger. Final word. Can you see the digraph? That's right. Here. O. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. S-O-L, soul. Soul is another word for who you are inside. Great reading. Time to mix the words up. Can you read the words without any help now? Read them aloud. Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. Ginger, ice, soul, pleasant, cell, gentle. Great reading. Today we are learning to read a new way of writing the sound O. 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 You have a go. O. Let me hear you. And again. O. Let's sound talk some words with the phoneme O. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. U, O, N, T. Your go. U, O, N, T. Want. What do you want? Let's try another one. U, O, sh. Your go. U, O, sh. Wash. We wash our hands with soap and water. Let's sound talk our final word. S-q-o-sh. Your go. S-q-o-sh. Squash. If you are very close to other people in a small space, then it is a squash. We know the sound O is written like this. There is another way of writing the phoneme O, and it looks like this. Today we are reading words with the sound O. Can you say the sound O each time I show you the grapheme A? One more time. That was excellent. Now let's read some words with our new grapheme for the sound O. Have a look at this one. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read it together. W-o-t. What? What do you want? Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Read it with me. U-o-z. Was. She was having fun. Now try this one. Off you go. Read it with me. W-o-sh. Wash. Did you get it right? Have a look at this one. Off you go. Now let's read the word together. S-Q-O-Sh. Squash. Let's try the next one. W-O-N-T. Want. Did you get that one right? Final word. Off you go. Let's read the word together. W-O-N-D-E. Wander. If you go for a walk and don't mind where you go, then you are going for a wander. Now, can you read these cards without any help? Off you go. Let's check. Read them with me. What? Was. Wash. Squash. Want. Wander. Now I'm going to mix the words up. See if you can read them this time. Off you go. Let's check you got them right. Read them with me. Squash. Want. What. Wander. Was. Wash. Incredible. We are on fire today, children. Now let's practice reading some tricky words that you have met before. Can you remember the two tricky bits in this word? That's right. This is the first tricky bit. It says I. And this one is the second tricky bit. It says Z. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Eyes. Eyes. Next word. Can you remember the tricky bit in here? That's right. It's here. This bit says Can you read the word? Let's read it together. W-O-R-K. Work. Well done. Let's read some sentences with our new grapheme in them. Can you see three words with today's grapheme? A says O. Can you see them? Yes. Here, here and here all have today's grapheme A says O. Can you see any words with digraphs? Here's W. Here's W again. Here's I. Here's ng. And here's sh. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember, sound out any words you are unsure of. Excellent reading. Now let's read the sentence together. What a squash it was when we went ice skating. Brilliant reading. Now let's try it again a little bit faster. Read with me as I point to the words. What a squash it was when we went ice skating. Well, I think there were too many people at the ice skating. Now let's read another sentence. Can you see the word with today's grapheme? A says O. here it is. Can you see any words with digraphs? Here's Can you see a tricky word we read today? That's right. Here it is, work. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember to sound out any words you are not sure of. Excellent reading. Now let's read together. After work, we go on a gentle wander. Brilliant. Now let's read it again a little bit faster this time. Read with me as I point to the words. After work, we go on a gentle wander. It's lovely to walk without worrying about getting somewhere, just wandering about. Let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell 2 words with today's grapheme O. Let's spell wash. Segment the sounds with me. Wash. Oo, O, sh. Let's count how many sounds there are. Wash. Oo, O, sh. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write wash and remember 3 sounds. Oo, O, and our digraph, sh, oo, O, sh, wash. I'm going to hide it. Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Sh. Write them down. Ready? Oo, O, sh, wash. Remember our new way of writing O. Did you get it right? Well done. Let's spell want. Segment the sounds with me. Want. Oo, O, N, T. Let's count how many sounds there are. Want. Oo, O, N, T. 4 sounds. Watch me write want. Remember, we need 4 sounds. Ooh. Our new way of writing O. N. T. Oo, O, N, T. Want. I'm going to hide that one. Your turn. Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write it down. Don't forget our new way of writing O. Ready? Have you got that? Oo, O, N, T. Want. Well done. Brilliant. Now let's learn to spell a tricky word. Let's learn to spell eyes. Segment the sound with me. Eyes. I-z. Let's count how many sounds there are. Eyes. I-z. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write eyes. Remember, I need 2 sounds. Can you remember the tricky bits? The E-Y-E says I. And the S says Z. Eyes. Eyes. I'm hiding it. Your turn. Have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Don't forget the tricky bits. You ready? Is that what you got too? Eyes. Eyes. Well done. Let's try another one. Let's try spelling work. Segment the sounds with me. Work. Oo, k. Let's count how many sounds there are. Work. Oo, k. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write work. Can you remember the tricky bit in the middle? Ooh. This is the tricky bit. The OR says And that's easy. K. Ooh, k. Work. Your turn. Say the word. Say the sounds. Remember the tricky bit in the middle. Write them down. Are you ready? Did you get that too? Work. Work. Brilliant. Well done, children. You have worked so hard practicing reading and spelling. See you next time for another lesson with letters and sounds. Bye.
Hi children, I'm Sandy Toksvig. I hope you enjoyed your letters and sounds lesson. You have worked really hard and we are so proud of you. I tell you what, why don't you celebrate by sharing a lovely book together with someone at home?
Okay, as usual, we've got our maths, so we've got a video and then some questions to have a go at.
In the last lesson, we were recognizing coins, and in this lesson, we're recognizing notes. Here are some notes. How could we sort these notes? Well, we can't sort them by shape because they're all rectangles. We can't really sort them by pictures because they all have the queen on them. But we could sort them by color. We could sort all of the 5-pound notes together because they would all be green. Or we could sort all of the 20-pound notes because they're all purple. We could also sort by size. Can you see which one of these notes is the smallest? Yes, the 5-pound note is the smallest. Which one is the largest? The 50-pound note is the largest. And what's another way that we could sort? Well, we could sort by numbers. Can you see the numbers on each of these notes? Some of them have a 0 on them, but not the 5-pound note. So when we're thinking about notes, we can see the value by looking at the numbers. It's important to be familiar with how each of these notes are different. Okay, speaking of putting things in order, let's put these notes in order, from least to greatest value. So we're not talking about size, we're talking about value. which one has the least value, the smallest number? Yes, a £5 note would come first. Next, we'd put the £10 note, followed by the £20 note, and finally a £50 note. But did you notice what I noticed? They actually do go in size as well. But remember, we were actually sorting from least to greatest, looking at the value. So which note would you rather have? A £5 note or a £50 note? I hope you chose the £50 note. And let's continue. This time you're going to have a go. And what I want you to do is compare two notes. I want you to tell me if one is greater than or less than the other note. Here are 3 examples. So pause here and see if you can figure out which one is greater than or less than. Are you ready to check answers? Let's look at the first one. 20 pounds and 10 pounds. Well, I know that 20 pounds is greater than 10 pounds. And the next one, we're comparing 5 pounds and 50 pounds. Well, 5 pounds is less than 50 pounds. And finally, let's compare 20 pounds and 5 pounds. 20 pounds is greater than 5 pounds. Well done! Remember how on the first slide we talked about we could sort by color? Well, I'm going to ask you to sort these notes according to color and number. Can you pause here and complete the sentences below to tell me how many £5 notes and £50 notes there are? Okay, let's take a look. Let's sort them. We'll put all the £5 notes together and all the £50 notes together. And here we can see there are 5 £5 notes and there are 4 £50 notes. Well done! And again, it's time for you to do some sorting and counting. I'd like you to tell me how many £10 notes and £20 notes there are. So pause here, sort, count, and then come back. Are you ready? First, let's sort them. We'll put all the £10 together and all the £20 together. Here we can see there are 7 £10 notes and there are 4 £20 notes. Great job! And that's the end of our lesson on recognizing notes. So it's time for you to pause here and have a go at your White Rose Maths worksheet. If you don't have a White Rose Maths worksheet, you can find lots of material available on the BBC Bite Size website. Have fun!
Okay, so have a go at the maths questions and then remember to mark your answers afterwards. Okay, and have a go at the writing. And that's the end of today's video.